Hey gearheads, welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best dash cam that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance. Number 6. In our list, the number 6 product name is Garmin DriveCam 76. When it comes to navigating with ease, the Garmin DriveCam 76 is my go-to device. Its 7-inch high-resolution display is perfect for glancing at maps while driving, and the built-in dashcam offers added peace of mind with automatic incident detection. It even uploads video clips to the secure Garmin Vault for easy access later. Additionally, pairing this device with my smartphone via Bluetooth unlocks hands-free calling and live traffic updates. I especially love the Garmin Voice Assist, which makes finding destinations effortless. With map coverage across North America, including the US, Canada, and more, I'm always ready for my next adventure. However, keeping local dash cam laws in mind is a must, and the 16GB microSD card might need upgrading for frequent users. Pros: large, clear screen, built-in dash cam, and automatic incident detection. Hands-free calling and voice assist. Cons: dash cam legality varies, limited storage capacity. Number 5. In our list, the number 5 product name is 70mi Dash Cam. When it comes to peace of mind on the road, the 70mi Dash Cam Omni X200 is unbeatable. Its 360-degree full-view recording is a game-changer, ensuring no blind spots while capturing crystal-clear 1080p video. Whether it's day or night, the HDR and f1.5 large aperture provides stunning image quality, even in low-light conditions. Moreover, the AI-powered parking monitoring has been invaluable. With 24-hour surveillance and motion detection, it records incidents automatically and prevents false alarms. The built-in GPS and route tracking are also incredibly helpful for logging trip data and pinpointing incidents. However, the need for a separate hardwire kit for some features like LTE support and parking monitoring may be inconvenient. Additionally, while the app offers excellent connectivity, its range is limited to 10 meters. Pros: 360-degree no blind spot recording, superior night vision and HDR, 24-hour AI parking monitoring, built-in GPS for route tracking. Cons: requires hardwire kit for full functionality. Limited app connectivity range. Number 4. In our list, the number 4 product name is Miofive S1 Ultra Dash Cam. When it comes to dual camera performance, the Miofive S1 Ultra Dash Cam truly shines. With 4K front and rear recording, the ultra-high-definition resolution captures every detail on the road. Its advanced 8-megapixel sensor ensures precise footage, while the polarizer function delivers balanced exposure for superior clarity. Additionally, the dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth app control make managing videos effortless. I can preview, download, and share footage in real time directly from my phone. The night vision capabilities are exceptional, with wide-angle lenses and large apertures, capturing clear footage even in low-light conditions. On the downside, a separate hardwire kit is required to unlock the full potential of the 24-hour parking mode. Also, while the included 64GB SD card is a great starter, frequent users may need extra storage. Pros: stunning 4K front and rear, recording night vision with wide viewing angles, built-in GPS and real-time tracking. Cons: hardwire kit sold separately for parking mode. Limited storage with the included SD card. Number 3. In our list, the number 3 product name is Nextbase 622 GW Dash Cam. When it comes to clarity, the Nextbase 622 GW Dash Cam delivers. With 4K Ultra HD recording at 30 frames per second, it captures every detail, including license plates and road signs, even in challenging conditions. I can even switch to 1440p at 60 FPS or 1080p at 120 fps for smoother footage. The optional rear camera adds full HD coverage, ensuring my car is protected from every angle. Additionally, the What 3 Words integration is a lifesaver. Whether I'm online or offline, this feature pinpoints my exact location, a crucial tool in emergencies. Plus, with image stabilization, my recordings remain crisp and smooth, even on bumpy roads. However, I particularly love the enhanced night vision and extreme weather mode. Foggy mornings or dimly lit roads are no longer a concern, as the dash cam adapts to light conditions to produce clear footage. Pros: exceptional 4K recording clarity, built-in Alexa for hands-free convenience, advanced night vision and weather modes. Cons: rear camera sold separately, limited mounting versatility. Number 2. In our list, the number 2 product name is Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. To start, the Garmin Dash Cam TM Mini 3 is a game-changer for discreet safety. Its ultra-compact, key-sized design means it blends seamlessly into my windshield without obstructing my view. Despite its size, this camera automatically records incidents in crisp 1080p HD with a wide 140-degree field of view, capturing essential details in any lighting condition. Moreover, the built-in Garmin Clarity Polarizer lens enhances video quality by reducing glare, ensuring every moment is clear and easy to review. The footage is stored effortlessly in the online vault, accessible via the Garmin Drive smartphone app, so I never have to worry about transferring large files manually. Additionally, the voice control feature is a lifesaver. With simple commands, I can save videos or start and stop recordings without taking my hands off the wheel. The parking guard feature adds peace of mind by notifying me of incidents when I'm away from my car. Pros: ultra-compact and unobtrusive design, high-quality 1080p ARD video with glare reduction, convenient voice control and automatic recording. Cons: some features require a paid Volt subscription, limited without constant power and active Wi-Fi connection. Number 1. In our list, the number 1 product name is Nextbase IQ Dash Cam. To begin, the Nextbase IQ 1K Smart HD Dash Cam brings a new level of intelligence and security to my driving experience. With 4G LTE connectivity and the intuitive Nextbase IQ app, I can monitor my vehicle from anywhere, anytime. The 1080p dual front and rear cameras ensure I capture crystal-clear footage, from license plates to road signs, for ultimate peace of mind. Moreover, the Smart Sense parking feature takes vehicle monitoring to the next level. It alerts me to nearby threats using advanced AI and proximity sensing, giving me the power to act before incidents occur. The innovative Guardian mode is perfect for when my kids or valet are driving, letting me set speed and location limits while staying connected via live feeds. In addition, the Witness mode offers a unique safety net. A simple voice command locks onto incidents and shares live footage with a trusted contact, ensuring I'm never alone in dangerous situations. With emergency SOS response, I can rest assured that emergency services will be instantly alerted, sharing my location and medical details if I'm unresponsive after an accident. Pros: real-time monitoring with 4G LTE and the Nextbase IQ app. Advanced safety features like Witness mode and emergency SOS. High-definition video capture with dual cameras. Cons: RoadWatch AI feature is not yet available. Subscription may be required for some advanced features. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below.